Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about Crypto.com Ruby Steel debit card. I'm not a financial advisor and I'm just sharing my personal experience. I have applied for this debit card in February of 2022 and have been using this to pay for the Spotify subscription. So till now I got a refund for 6 months for Spotify subscription. So how does this actually work is that first of all, when you apply for this card, you need to at least have $400 in Crowcoin, the CRO coin or Crowcoin, which is a native token for Crypto.com. You need to have at least $400 worth of those tokens in Crypto.com wallet. You need to stake those for 6 months. Once you do that, then you will be eligible to apply for this card. This card used to have more benefit, but right now it's very limited, and I just use this only for the Spotify subscription. And right now the Spotify subscription is only for first 6 months. So right now I take a Spotify subscription for $11, and then after that this Crypto.com will reward me in Crowcoin equivalent to $11. Right now the Crowcoin is around 13 to 14 cents. So since this is a debit card, what you cannot use it like a credit card. So you need to deposit some money into the account and then you can use it. For example, I deposit like $100 into Crypto.com account and have been using that one to pay for the subscription. And then after a few days, the reward will be added to my account in Crowcoin. You can sell it right there, or you can just wait if you believe in the token that it will increase. Apart from that, there is 1% reward for a lot of things that you can buy with this debit card. Not everything is eligible for that 1%, and then there's another thing, there's a cap for the reward. For this card is right now as of August 2022 is $25. So my personal opinion, I do not think there's a much use. You can apply and then get a Spotify. So this is one of the card. I will share a link in the description where there's a number of cards which is offered by Crypto.com. This is the number from the basic, it's the second most basic card. So the more you stake in Crowcoin, the better card you are eligible to apply for. Another thing about this card is this a metal card, and I have seen some people like metal card, and the packaging in which it also comes is also nice. So I got this made like this. So the card was inside this nice package. You can just open it like this and the card will be here. If you wanted to watch more video about credit card and personal finance, I have a playlist I have linked here. Please click on this.